ratios are written in the form A is to B. For example, you can find ratio written in the form 2 is to 3 or 4 is to 5. Now, when you see something like this is what you mean by ratios, and proportions are in fraction form. We shall go straight to examples. Divide 1000 in the ratio 2 is to 3. When you are told to do something like this, you have to find the total ratio. So, in this, total ratio is 2 plus 3. Now, 2 plus 3 is 5, okay? Divide 1000 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Now, first share, we use the first ratio, which is 2 over the total ratio, which is 5 times the amount given, which is 1000. By 5, 1 by 5, 200. Now, 2 times 200 is equals to 400. That is the first share. And second share is equals to the second ratio, which is 3 over the total ratio, which is 5 times 1000. You divide by 5, 1 by 5, 200. Now, 3 times 200. What do we get? This 600. That's how we do the question. We have an example 2. Divide 1200 in the ratio 2 is to 4 is to 3. These are 3 ratios. Now, we have to find the total ratio first. Total ratio. We said we add the 3 ratios given. Whether they are 3, 4, or 5 or whatever, you have to add them first for you to find the total ratio. Now, in this question, it is 2 plus 4 plus 6. 2 plus 4, it is 6 plus 6, it is 12. That is the total ratio. The first share, we get the first ratio, which is 2 over the total, which is 12 times the amount given, which is 1200. By 12, 1 by 12, 100, which is 2 times 100. It's going to be 200, right? Second share is going to be 4 over the total share, which is 12 times the amount given, which is 1200. It's going to be by 12, 1 by 12, 100, which is 4 times 100. It's going to be 400. I hope we are together up to that point. Third ratio is going to be 6 over 12 times 1200. Now, by 12, 1 by 12, 100. 6 times 100. This 6 times 100 is 600. That's what you do when you are asked a question of this kind. Divide 1200 in the ratio. And you can't miss this type of questions in exams. We have question 3. It's a word problem, which is the most likely question to be asked in exams. A sum of money was shared among 3 siblings, Anne, Joy, and Joel, in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 4. If Joel received 2400 shillings, how much money was shared in total? Now, we are given the amount that Joel got, and we have to find the total amount of money that was there before they divided the money, okay? Now, as we said, we have to find the total ratio first. Now, total ratio is going to be 3 plus 5 plus 4. It is 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 4 is 12, okay? Now, if we have 12, and you know Joel got 4. Now, 4 over the total, which is 12. And this 4 over 12 represents 2400. We need to find the 12 over 12, okay? Now, we can divide the denominators because they have the same denominators, which is 12. Now, you can say 4 is equals to 2400. How about 12? You cross multiply. It's 12 over 4 times 2400, right? By 4, 1 by 4, 800. Now, 12 times 800. 12 times 8 is equals to 7200, okay? Now, the correct answer is going to be 7200. 100 shillings. Now that is the answer for that question. That is the total amount that was there in the beginning, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.